tell the difference, obvious.
Where's Papa John? Which way to go?
Down.
All the way down.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I went backwards. I just wanna sneeze. Useless. Okay, we're good. Go back. Yeah. Where am I now? Okay, this way. There you go. There you go. Is this right here? Maybe it's wrong.
You tried digging up one of
How many times have I sneezed today so far? Those who don't fall die. I guess that sounds good too.
Okay, let's I'm just waiting.
Yeah! Why are there chickens in here? What? How wet is everything in front of me?
You're gonna blow away everything, all the tissues. Is this the best toilet? What's that? Did you just come back to sneeze?
How many times did that tear up you?
I think I have an accent. Hands are fast? I don't think I have hands. I'm just gonna try this.
Okay. You do your... the what thing? This. Bye-bye. basements or anything. I don't think. Mococo, your sneeze is evolving. Leveling up. It's different today, okay? It's different. Oh, wow. We could just sit here, Mococo. We could just watch you until you sneeze again.